welcome. And of course, Paul Theron now for from Vestact for Mad Markets.
Yes.
Apple is above $500 a share.
Woohoo!
It's been above $400 for the last 6 months. So in 6 months, it moved up $100, Paul.
It's a hell of a story. I mean, it's the world's most valuable company, as you know. It used to be number 2 position to ExxonMobil. But boring old ExxonMobil's just been, gushing oil, and that's not exciting enough anymore. I mean, the key issues here are the iPhone 5, which is rumored to be able to make you a cup of coffee, and you can shave with it in the morning, and it will, organize your life and all of that. So that's going to be a device of incredible awesomeness. And in China, they're like 600 million people who are customers of China Mobile, and China Mobile is going to have the Apple iPhone 5, and it's going to have a 4G chip, seriously.
Are you saying that even at $500 a share, it is still a buy?
Well, I think so, because, there's that. There's also the rumor, I think that's pushed it up, of the iPad 3, which is coming out now sort of in the first week of March. And, I mean, these devices are fabulous, and the margins are incredible, and all the rest of it.
This is why I refrain from buying technology, because there's
it's
just
going
so many
to 1,000.
advances. Exactly.
Everybody's giving their 2-year-old, an iPod. It's just incredible.
So, big news over the weekend, the Grammys.
Yes. I thought you were going to say Greece. No, I'm finished with Greece. I mean, it's exciting that the markets have rallied on that basis. But, I mean, what was getting everybody chatting, of course, were the Grammys. So Adele, who was able to sing for the first time in 5 months, fabulous performers, won all the main prizes. Nicki Minaj was incredible. There you go. But the moment of the weekend, of course, was the unfortunate passing of Whitney Houston. And Apple, the dogs, then immediately increased the prices on iTunes of the Whitney Houston CD, which was a bit low of them, really. But you can imagine they saw the same thing with Michael Jackson's death a year ago, that everybody then rushes to, fill up their library with the items that they don't have. But apparently Jennifer Hudson's version of the Whitney Houston song wasn't quite as fabulous as people thought was going to be the case. But all things considered, the music business is in transition. Online is where it's going, but fabulous business nonetheless, and these great performers, what a job.
And very quickly on Greece. So you...
Well, I know nothing about Greece. I've never even been there. What I can tell you is that the alternative, falling out of the euro, must be terrible, because to put up with all that public resistance and still to stay in is a massive vote of confidence for the structure.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Paul. Great to have you on the program.